This video explains what a network gateway is for beginners, quickly and simply. A network gateway is the device or software that connects two different networks and lets them talk to each other. It understands both sides and can translate between them for smooth data flow. A gateway connects unlike networks, such as a home network and the internet. It acts as the entry and exit point for traffic. It translates protocols so each side understands the message, like IPv4 to IPv6 or private to public addressing. This is the key difference from a simple router. It routes data in and out, choosing paths and forwarding packets to the right destination. It can add security by pairing with firewalls and filtering tools at the network edge. Many modern routers include gateway functions, so one box often does both jobs. Gateways appear as hardware devices or as software on servers or cloud services. The main benefit is a simple, reliable connectivity between different systems and networks. It can do NAT or network address translation, which swaps private IPs for a public IP so devices can go online. This hides internal addresses from the outside world. It can terminate VPNs, letting remote users or sites connect safely to the network over encrypted tunnels. It also helps with monitoring and logs, so issues can be found and fixed and traffic can be managed better. Here's an example to help you understand the network gateway better. A small office uses private IPs inside. When sending an email to the internet, the packet goes to the gateway. The gateway translates the private address to a public one and forwards it to the mail server online. Replies come back through the same gateway to the right device. Think of a gateway like a border checkpoint with an interpreter. It checks documents, translates the traveler's language, and then lets them pass into the next country. Data is the traveler. Protocols are the languages. A network gateway links different networks and lets them exchange data, even if they use different rules. It serves as the entry and exit point, translating and forwarding traffic so communication stays smooth. It also often adds security and management at the network edge.
Simply click the link below to learn more.